Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make Twitter threads. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, we will do the steps we used to do to add a post. Here you can see the option of plus icon, tap on it. Here you can see the option of post, tap on it. Then here you can see the option of photos. I'll click on this photo. Then here you can see there is only one post. To make it thread, you need to tap on this plus icon there you go. Now you can add image or comments. I'll add a video. Now this is your thread. Now you can post it. You can add location and post it. There you go. Then post all. It may take some time to post your threads. There you go. I have posted my threads over here. See, in your profile you can see in one time we have posted 2. See, you have your threads ready. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.